welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about a variant which is from HP Elite Book Folio series, that is 9480M out here. A very interesting variant out here, a very interesting model. As well as when we talk about this variant, let us talk about the versions and specifications of this variant. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this was also designed for the corporate world, because we know that HP series are mostly designing for the corporate world out here. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this version out here was designed specifically for the small corporate world, not for the very large corporate world out there. But since it is a light book series, so it is going to have Intel V Pro technology. Along with that, you will also find that trusted platform modelers could be seen out of 1.2 security chip system. So you get to have a good security chip system, you get to have Intel Pro technology. Along with that, Microsoft inbuilt operating system could be seen out there. Yes, you will get to see that it offers you Microsoft inbuilt pre-installed Windows operating system, that is Windows 7 Professional Edition, which can be upgraded up to Windows 8.1 Pro. Yes, 8.1 Pro or Pro Plus could be converted out there. So it is really nice to see that. So talking about this variant, let us talk about the processing system also. Let us talk about the major systems, major parts about it. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you Intel Core i5 4th generation. Yes, Intel Core i5 could be seen out in this variant, which is a 4th generation, up to 4th generation we can say. Apart from that, you also get to see that it offers you a dual core processing system with a max turbo speed of 3 gigahertz. 3 gigahertz is the max turbo speed offered out there. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you Intel Turbo Boost technology. Intel Turbo Boost technology could be seen out in this variant. That's a wonderful feature and amazing version out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a cache memory of 3 MB. L3 cache memory with installed 3 MB storage could be seen out in this variant, which is definitely a great version and a great specification to be seen. Apart from that, let us talk about the storage also, because cache memory alone does not make it sufficient. It has to work with the storage of other devices like RAM and the hard drive storage. Talking about the hard drive storage and the RAM, let us talk about the RAM first. Talking about RAM, then we can say that it offers you back support or installed size of RAM, that is 4 GB. So installed RAM size is 4 GB RAM. Apart from that, if we talk about the configuration, then it is a single slot configuration offering you 4 GB with a rated memory speed, or the memory speed of approximately 1600 megahertz. 1600 megahertz is definitely a good version. Along with that, you also get to see that the RAM type used out here is DDR3L RAM type. So DDR3L RAM type is definitely a good version, a very interesting and a good version out there. Apart from that, you also get to see that it offers you a maximum support size of 16 GB. So it might have internal support, installed RAM of 4 GB, but external support size offered out here, or the maximum support size offered out here, is the 8 GB or 16 GB RAM out there. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then we can say that this variant out here offers you a speed of 1600 megahertz with the same configuration, that is DDR3L RAM type. So this has to be kept in mind. Now, RAM alone does not make any gadget worth it. It has to work with the storage part. Talking about the storage, let us talk about the hard drive out there. Let us talk about the hard drive storage. That is the main storage part. Talking about the hard drive, then we can say that it offers you SSD type storage. SSD type storage should be seen out with a configuration of M2 out there. Along with that, it offers you a capacity of 256 GB. Yes, 256 GB is the hard drive storage offered out. So that is really amazing version and a good variation to see. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, if we talk about this version, then it is a self-encrypting device. Self-encrypting device, or the self-encrypting drive out there for the hard drive, is that it has a if it can damage itself or if the storage is full, then automatically it will allow us or let us know about that. So talking about this variant, let us talk about the harsh conditions working on it, because HP has mostly designed this gadget which can work in the harsh conditions, in the worst conditions out there. So they give you a good output and it works in humid, shock, vibration. They are tolerant to most of the gadgets. Like they have got tolerance to most of the environmental factors. Now coming back to the environmental things and everything, now let us come back to the device back. When we talk about the device, the first thing which comes in our mind is the display, is the screen size, because it's a corporate world gadget. It's mainly designed for the corporate world. So let us talk about the screen size, which is approximately 35.6 centimeters. So you get to have a good screen size of 35.6 centimeter. Along with that, you also get to see it offers you LED backlight display. LED backlight display could be seen out here, and you will also get to see it offers you HD resolution. HD resolution is really important nowadays because we like to have a multimedia and a screen which offers you a good resolution. Apart from that, along with HD resolution, it has anti-glance, it has got standard view angle also, so you get to see really good variations out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, let us talk about this variant of display type. Let us talk about this variant, everything related to this variant. Talking about this version, let us talk about once again the display overall. LED backlight, as LED backlight, we can say HD standard view angle with anti-glance resolution. So that is really good display out there. But this display does not alone makes it worth it, because display works for the outcomes of the product which we see, and that is actually done with the help of graphics, and graphics is done with graphic processor. So graphical processor ki baat kare, if we talk about the graphic processor out there, it uses Intel HD graphics out there along with a webcam. Yes, webcam is inbuilt in it, which offers you a capturing resolution of 1280 into 720 out there with Intel amazing graphical processing, stereo type speakers, two microphones. Along with that, you get to see really a good quality of sound. Everything is done out there. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you a keyboard out there with a pointing stick and the touchpad, which helps to gesture control, volume control out there, spell resistance. So there are a lot of factors for this. Apart from that, it offers you a great connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot connectivity. There are a lot of connectivities out there, so which is really good. But yes, it does not offer you any optical drive technology. You will not find any optical drive technology inbuilt in it, and you will find that this variant out here offers you a great range of connectivity with USB, USB 2, USB 3 type, audio input output jack, power jack out there. So these can be seen. Apart from that, no optical drive is still seen out in this variant. Offering you a great battery life of 4 cell with lithium ions. Yes, lithium ion battery cell, offering you approximately 13 to 14 hours run timing. We can say that it is a worth it price, so you can definitely check out this gadget. It's definitely amazing one. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the website where it is available in a very pocket friendly rate. Yes, you can check out this website, that is justatclick.com. Justatclick.com offers you a great range of pricing for your gadgets, because at this site you get to have a pocket friendly rates. You will not find that the gadgets are very expensive. You will find that they are quite pocket friendly. As well as this site offers you a option that is customizability option. Customizability option is available out here so that you can customize your gadgets accordingly. So let us search this gadget, that is Elite Book Folio 9480M. So as I was telling you about the customizability option on this website, You can see that it is HP EliteBook Folio 9480M, all the three variants with the same screen size of 14 inches. uh, Intel Core i5 could be seen out, but there's a difference in the hard drive storage. You will find a difference in the hard drive storage. So let us click on any of the variant and see what kind of result you get to see. So this is the result. When we click on any of the gadget, you get to see this kind of a result. With a small description at the top. In the mid, it is written that the product condition is refurbished, and at the bottom also a small description. So we get to see that it offers you all the descriptions out there along with the product condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about these refurbished products, or what is actually refurbished product all about, then, and what does refurbishing brand new products look like? So we are going to talk about that now. Talking about the word refurbished, when we say refurbished, then we can say that refurbished means creating something new, like, or creating something from the old things. Yes, like they are absolutely same as brand new. Their design is same, the structurality is same, even the functionalities, everything is same out there. So you get to see that they offer you same kind of we can say functionality differences out there. No difference out there actually. There is no much difference in refurbished and brand new. Now, when we talk about these two products, then what are the major differences involved in this? Because if they are structurally same, they are same in functionalities, they have same design, they have same testers, everything is same. Then why is a name given as refurbished, or why the word refurbished is introduced for that? Then we can say that the word refurbished is introduced because it provides, or it has a thing or a main difference out there, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? It is pre-owning anything. Initially, what happens in brand new products, they are pre-owned by the company itself before releasing into the market. So definitely company owns it. That is not pre-owned, that is owned it. Whereas once a gadget is released in the market, then it is being used by a new user, then it is called as pre-owned gadget. So let us talk about this marketplace also and how this pre-ownization works. Then we can say that there is a pathway followed out, which is the base, mediator, and the consumer out there. This is just like normal pathway, start to end. Talking about brand new, then we can say that company owns every gadget. Company owns it. So it is does this thing that it owns it, then brings out in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget. It provides you that kind of functionality. And when we talk about this kind of a gadget, then we can say that it offers you a great range of production. Now, how does it happen? It happens in the way like you have that gadget in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget's functionalities out there. You get to see that the gadget is in the marketplace with different pricing, everything is there. Then gadget is owned by any user like us. We are the users. After that, what happens is this is the ending of brand new. Yes, brand new ends there. What happens is that now the gadget is owned by a user that wants to resell it. So this is an extension of brand new. We can say there is an extension of brand new. Now it wants to be resold. So what happens when it is being resold? It is brought up in the marketplace. Yes, it is brought up where it has to be resold, and then it is sold to another user, a new user out there. Talking about this, then we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, they are extension to each other. How? How they are extension? Like we can say that when a user sells off their gadget, their pre-owned gadget in the marketplace, that is the brand new product till then. But once it is resold to that marketplace, it becomes a different product. The brand new ends over there itself when it is owned. So now there is a testing also done, because every gadget needs to be done in the testing format. It need to have a testing out there. So what happens is the testing has to be done for the brand new, if we talk about. if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the testing has to be done in not other format, but in a simple format where the company tests this out, where sites test that gadget out. So you get to see different sites out there. But for refurbished or for pre-owned gadgets, testing has to be done in within the website which resells it. Yes, the site which we sold our gadget to, or which is going to resell that gadget, that has to test that gadget again. So this ends over the pathway out there. Uh, Talking about this pathways and testing out there, so let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally, if they are same, functionality is same, so testers out there has to be same, which determines their structurality, functionalities, everything. Talking about these structures, talking about structuralities and everything, then we can say that there are actually two major parameters which are divided or classified, that are external and internal parameters. Now, when we talk about external parameters, then we say the external parameters are the parameters which can be seen through eyes, which does not require any kind of software or any kind of gadgets out there, equipment, robots, that is not required out there for their testing. Like we can test out the scratches, buttons, placement of buttons, power, uh, jack systems out there, display, screen size, proper working on off buttons out there, timing out there. So these things which can be checked out through our eyes, which does not require any gadget out there. So this is what happens in the external parameters. Once it crosses the external parameter, it comes to the internal parameters, which are quite complicated, because these are the internal elements, and these elements require nothing else but a specially designed software for it, or equipments are there. There are few small gadgets devices or for any other things out there required for this. Once these gadgets are defined, like what kind of parameters it includes, so we can say that includes the internal processor out there, chip system, CPU, cache memory, RAM, hard drive, what kind of hard drive it uses, the spindle speeds out here, the rated memory speed, the clock speed out there, even the connectivities, or we can say that every small big elements like graphic processor out there, graphical integrated webcam out there. So everything which is included out there is seen in this internal parameters. Once it crosses the internal parameters and external, it is certified as refurbished. But what would happen if it fails in any of the parameter, any one of the parameters? Then it has to be rectified. If it is, it can be renewed, it can be replaced. Then it has to be replaced with the original product itself. So once it is replaced with the original product, it is refurbished, it is renewed out there. uh, it provides you a good quality product. Actually, after it is refurbished, it provides a good quality product, great servicing out there, a good to use product. But still there are few benefits of having a refurbished product, because if you are talking about refurbished, then what are the major advantages of having a refurbished product? Number one would be the pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates for your gadgets. Talking about refurbished products, then we can say that refurbished products provides you a pocket friendly rate. They provide you a cost effective, pocket friendly, and a good to have gadgets in a pocketable rates. Because we know that brand new products are actually expensive. Once they are released in the market, they are quite expensive out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing out there, there's a difference in pricing, and there is not a major difference, but yes, there is a difference out there. So you get to have a savings also. You can have a great savings, because since there is a difference in pricing, there is difference in the conditions out there. So you get to see that there is a difference in the savings also for you. But we all know that brand new products comes with a warranty period. But do pre-owned gadgets offer you warranty period is a big question out there. So talking about the warranty period, then we can say that it comes with 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this offers you 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy out there. Along with that, you also get to see that they are offering you great advantages out there, along with profitable rates, savings. Talking about this kind of product, let us talk about the website once again. And talking about the website, we are back at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. A very interesting website out here. The name itself suggests just at a click. So you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. As we already know that this website offers you customization option. We already know that gadgets could be customized, especially the laptops out there could be customized according to the needs. So it offers you customization option, as well as this site offers you COD out here all over UAE. Apart from that, you get to have an hassle-free shopping, since it's an online website where you can shop out there. So it's a hassle-free shopping nowadays. Along with that, free home delivery and money back guarantee along with online support system is provided out here. You get to have a delivery time of approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time might take up to Saudi. But depending upon your customization, it might vary accordingly. For best pricing, check out the website out there, as well as you can visit out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.